what is Arduino, and we will see how to load any kind of program in the Arduino, and we will see the basic examples of Arduino. So what is Arduino? Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on an easy to use hardware and software. It is very easy, and for programming we are using the basic C programming here, and we are having the different parts of Arduino. Types of Arduino. What are the types of Arduino? It is Arduino Uno. We have the Lilliput Arduino. We have Redboard Arduino. We have Arduino Vega. We have Arduino Leon. So what is mostly we are using, that is Arduino Uno. Arduino is a microcontroller which will monitor the all working. So Arduino is having ALU, that is arithmetical logical unit, which will check the logical operation. We have the registers for performing operations on the any units. It have the control unit which will maintain the timing circuits. We have input output devices where we can design any kind of device. It have the RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM memory is used for storing the program and storing the data while operating. And it have the system bus for the data transmissions. So this is how the Arduino Uno looks. This is the pin configuration. We will start with the 0 pin. For the Arduino Uno, 0 pin is the receiver pin, that is for the serial in. First pin is the transmitter pin, that is for the serial out. From 2 to 13 we have the digital input output pins, where we will give the any kind of input or the output to our devices. Then we have the ground, because when we are providing any kind of supply we need the positive and the negative. So negative will be connected to the ground. Then we have the A reference pin. It is known as an analog reference. That means whenever we are providing any kind of analog input to the analog input to our output pins, we will provide the reference point that above the reference point, it will be considered as an input and output, so that initialization will be given by the A reference pin. Then we have the reset button. That means whenever we are having any kind of loading issue or something, we can reset the microcontroller by using this reset button. We have the USB plug. So by using this USB plug, we will connect the Arduino Uno to our computer, and after that we can load any kind of program in that. We have the microcontroller of Atmega 60. We have the voltage regulator. It will provide the regulated supply of 5 volt to the microcontroller. Here have the external power supply pin. That means either we can plug the USB or we can provide the external supply also. Then we have IO reference pin. This is for the input output reference, which provide the voltage reference with which this microcontroller operates. Again we have the reset pin. That means either by using the reset button we can reset the microcontroller, or by using programming also we can reset. So whenever we want to reset the microcontroller while programming, we will reset this pin number and it will get reset. Output voltage, this Uno will provide the two outputs, that is 3.3 and the 5. This output we can connect to the devices. We have the ground. That means for the 3.3 and the 5, these two power supplies, we have the two grounds. Then we have the VIN, that means voltage input, and we have the analog inputs and output also. So this is how the pin configuration of Arduino. When doing any kind of programming, we need one software that is known as an Arduino IDE. So I'll show how to download software in your laptop. So firstly we have to log in to the Google. So in the search bar, just type on the Arduino IDE software. So we will be redirect to the first page. Now we have to download Arduino IDE. Just click on that. After that we have to go in the softwares. The software, we have multiple downloading options. So as per the system compatibility we can download anything. So mine is Windows 7. So I'll just click on the Windows 7 and the setup will start downloading. So I have just either we can contribute and download, or we can just download. So I'm doing it for free, so I'll just click on the just download. Okay. So now my downloading is start. After that it will ask for the permission. So we have to grant and permission for this, and this is how the Arduino IDE will look. This is an icon of Arduino IDE. We just have to double click on that and it will get open. Arduino IDE, we have the options like file, edit, sketch, tools and the help. Tools will help us to select the board. So from here we can select the board and the port, and in the files we will have the other selection options. We have the predefined examples that we can access from the file one. So when I connected my Arduino to laptop, we have to select the board in the tools. So I'll just click on the tools and in the board. And I'll select the Arduino Uno. And here I will select the board, that is for the COM3. My Arduino is connected. So from the examples, for the basic examples that we will see, so we'll go in the files, examples, basics, and in the basics we will check for the blink one. So this is my blinking program. So it is written in the C. We have the void setup, it will be the main program. So I made the built-in LED to the output. That's it. Inbuilt LED is connected to the pin number 13 of my Arduino Uno. So here I connected that LED or initialize as an output, and in the programming, for first thing I made a digital write that LED high, that means it will get on, and then I provide a delay of 1000. The delay is in the seconds. Then I make a digital write, and that built-in LED will be low, that means it will off, and then again the delay of 1000 seconds. So now this is my program, and what I have to do, firstly I have to compile, that means the verify. So I have to click on the right click. So now my sketch is getting compiled. So now my sketch is getting compiled. We can see here is the green cursor. We'll get the update that how much this code is get compiled. Okay. So now it's almost 50% is completed.